Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about reactivity of relative reactivity of alkyl halide with respect to the allyl halide. This is the alkyl halide. This is allyl halide and this is alkyl halide. In allyl halide, the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and that sp3 hybridized carbon atom is attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. Such kind of halides are called allyl halide. And in alkyl halide, the halogen is directly attached to the alkyl group, is called alkyl halide. If we see the reactivity, relative reactivity between these two, here allyl halide undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction more easily than the alkyl halide. Allyl halides are easily undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction more easily than the alkyl halide, and it can also undergoes both SN1 and also SN2 reaction. This allyl halide are undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction more easily than the alkyl halide, and these are undergoes SN1 as well as SN2 reaction. In SN1 reaction, the allyl halide, these allyl halide first undergoes ionization to form, this is our allyl halide. This first undergoes ionization to give carbocation, hence it gives CH2 double bond CH, CH2 plus X minus, and this carbocation, this is the primary carbocation, and this is stabilized by the resonance. This carbocation is stabilized by the resonance, hence it becomes CH2 plus CH double bond CH2. Due to the resonance stabilization, the allyl halides are more easily undergoes nucleophilic substitution in the way of SN1 reaction. Okay, in allyl halide, the positive charge on the carbon atom is dispersed on the molecule to attain the stability, but in alkyl halide, the positive charge is not stabilized. These are not displaced on the molecule, hence its stability is lesser than that of the allyl halide. Hence allyl halides are more reactive than the alkyl halide. In SN2 reaction, SN2 reactions are more favorable for the primary alkyl halide, and allyl halides are also similar to primary alkyl halide. Allyl halides are similar to primary alkyl halide. Here CH2 double bond CH, CH2X. This group again act as a primary alkyl group. Hence, it does not produce any sterical hindrance to the nucleophile. Hence, these allyl halides are undergoes SN2 reaction more easily compared to the alkyl halide. This is the relative reactivity of alkyl halide with respect to the allyl halide. In alkyl halide and in allyl halide, the allyl halides are more reactive than the alkyl halide. First reason is, and it undergoes both SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. SN1 reaction is due to the it forms carbocation, and that carbocation is stabilized by the resonance. These are stabilized by the resonance, hence it undergoes SN1 reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction, more easily, and it also undergoes SN2 reaction also, because this allyl group act as a allyl halides are the primary alkyl halide which does not produce any sterical hindrance to the attacking nucleophile. Okay, hence these are undergoes more easily reaction in nucleophilic substitution. Okay, idartha ಐತ್ರಿ relative reactivity of alkyl halide with respect to the allyl halide. allyl halide ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ more reactive ಇರುತ್ತೆ nucleophilic substitution reaction ka compared to the alkyl halide. ಮತ್ತು ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡತ್ರಿ SN1 and SN2 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. SN1 ಯಾಕೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, SN1 ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್ ಜನ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್ ರೆಸೊನೆನ್ಸ್ನಿಂದ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡತ್ರಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ SN2 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ ಹೆಲೈಡ್ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹೆಲೈಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇರಿಕಲಿ ಹಿಂಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾರ್ದ ಕಾರಣ ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ SN2 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay friends, next point is relative reactivity of vinyl halide with respect to the alkyl halide. In last concept is relative reactivity of allyl halide with alkyl halide. Now it is vinyl halide. In vinyl halide, the halogen atom is directly attached to the carbon-carbon double bond is called vinyl halide, and halogen directly attached to the alkyl group is called alkyl halide. Here vinyl halide, this vinyl halide is less reactive. Vinyl halide is less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Vinyl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction than the alkyl halide. Is because of in vinyl halide, it is our vinyl halide CH2, sorry this is CH single bond X. This is our vinyl halide, and that halogen contain lone pair of electron. Here in vinyl halide, it is contain pi lone pair conjugation. Hence these undergoes resonance structure. This shows resonance hybrid structure. Here these lone pair of electrons are undergoes resonance. At that time this pi bond is shifted to the this carbon group. Then it become CH2 minus CH double bond X. This is X, and this become positive. Here due to the lone pair and pi conjugation, this undergoes pi lone pair resonance structure. Hence at that time due to the resonance, the carbon and halogen bond is converted into partial double bond character. Due to this double bond character, the reactivity of vinyl halide compared to the alkyl halide decreases. Hence when you compare vinyl halide with the alkyl halide, the reactivity of alkyl halide is more compared to the vinyl halide. That reason is due to the partial double bond character between the carbon and halogen. Hence the vinyl halide is less reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay. if we see the reason for low reactivity, first reason is partial double bond character, and second one is also low dipole moment, due to the low dipole moment. In, for example, in vinyl halide, CH2 double bond CH, this is our vinyl halide, it contains lone pair of electron, and this is our alkyl halide. Here this is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Due to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, this carbon atom is more electronegative, hence it attracts the shared pair of electron of the bonding electron, hence this bond become stronger. Here in sp3 hybridized carbon atom, it is less electronegative compared to the sp2, hence this molecule is more polar, hence its dipole moment is around 2.2. In vinyl halide, the dipole moment is around 1.4 dipole moment. Due to the reason of dipole moment, here the alkyl halide having 2.2 higher dipole moment, hence these are the more reactive compared to the vinyl halide. And second reason is partial double bond character in vinyl halide. Due to the double bond character, its reactivity is decreases. Next point is relative reactivity of aryl halide with respect to the alkyl halide. Here this is our aryl halide and this is our alkyl halide. Here reactivity of aryl halide and alkyl halide. In this, the alkyl halides are more reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction compared to the aryl halide, because in same reason to the vinyl halide, in aryl halide the halogen is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, but in alkyl halide the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and in aryl halide in aryl halide the halogen contain lone pair of electrons, and these lone pair of electrons are involved in the resonance stabilization. These are involved in resonance structure. Pi lone pair conjugate, due to the pi lone pair conjugation, these are involved in resonance stabilization. Due to the resonance, this carbon and halogen bond become partially double bond. Single bond is converted into double bond in the aryl halide, and in alkyl halide the carbon halogen bond is single bond. There is no resonance and there is no partial double bond character. Due to the partial double bond character in the aryl halide, its reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction is decreases compared to the alkyl halide. Due to this reason, for the nucleophilic substitution reaction of aryl halide, it requires drastic condition. For the nucleophilic substitution reaction of aryl halide, it required drastic condition at around 663 Kelvin temperature and around pressure 300 atm pressure due to the low reactivity. At that time it is substituted to give phenol. Otherwise, it does not react with the nucleophile to give substituted product. Okay. Hence, we conclude that the aryl halides are less reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction compared to the alkyl halide. Okay.